Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful.
Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am here tonight to show you guys a wig review. I haven't did a wig review in a long time, so I have one here for you. I did do a video, but I rushed through that video, so I deleted it. So I am back again to review this wig. Now this wig is called Alana. You can see the name Alana, and it is in a F1B 30, and it is by Sensationnel, and it is an Empress lace wig. It is a lace front edge. This wig is a natural parting from edge to crown. And it is safe up to 350 and 400 degrees if you want to, you know, curl this wig. So this is what she looks like. Okay, this is what she looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her out the package. You guys, I'm going to list down below where I got this wig from. I had her for a while, so I didn't keep the receipt, I didn't keep the invoice, so I will let you guys know down below where I got her from. Or you can also search up the name Alana by Sensationnel, and you will be able to find her and look up the price. So I did take her out the box before, and this is how she's laid in the box. Okay. And she did have lace. I cut the lace off earlier when I was doing the review. I cut her off already. And she has two combs in the front. And also a comb in the back. And she also has adjustable straps. Okay, and this parting here. This is a curved parting. Okay, and this is what the caps looks like on the inside. And she doesn't have ear tabs. So she is soft, very soft, and she's wavy. Okay, deep waves. Does she shed? No, not really. You may get a strand here and there. Okay, let me go ahead and put this on my head. I will not put concealer in the parting. Let me go ahead and place her on my head. Take this off. And I do have a wig cap on. And you guys, I got my hair twisted in a protective style. Okay. I should have worn a bright color stocking cap. That's the parting. And like I said earlier, you can put concealer in the parting. Okay, she's already parted to the side. And she's full. She's a very full wig. Okay, these are the ear tabs here, but oh yes, I feel it. I feel it. She does have ear tabs. Okay, so you can fit it tightly to your head. Okay, and she is big head friendly because she does not go on tight. Okay, you guys, this is what she's looking like on my head. All right. I am loving her. I am liking her. I don't want to brush her out too much because when I did the wig review last time, I, brushed her. So I don't want to, brush out the waves. So, you guys, how does this wig look? Do you like it? I like her. I like her. Okay, you guys, let me turn and show you guys what she looks like. Okay, this is the side view. What she looks like in the back. Side view. And the front. You can swoop her bangs in the front. Yeah, she's very cute. What more can I say about her? What more can I say about her? Like I said, she's soft, she's wavy, she's big head friendly. The lace, she is a lace wig. I already cut it off, and she has a curved parting, ear tabs, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and also adjustable straps. You can, she does have adjustable straps. So you can, adjust her to your liking. And she does not shed much, but you may get a strand here and there. You can also, pin her up. Wear her like this. Pin her up for a night of going out for the evening, dinner or what have you. Or wear her like this. All right, you guys. If you would like to find Alana, look up the website here down below. I can't tell you right now. I have to really go and look for the invoice. I may have it, but I should have placed it back in the box when I first received her. So I will list all the information down below where you can find her. And she was reasonable. She really was. She was reasonable. And this is what she's looking like. So you guys, this is a short video though, but hey, thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Go ahead, thumbs up, comment, share this video. Let everybody know about your girl, Happy Dimples 39. And I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Love you all.
Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful. Why do we forget who we were made to be? Living in a fantasy. Don't you know that true beauty is the spirit that lives within? A quiet confidence hidden in your essence. confidence. It's beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Why do we forget who we were made to be? Living in a fantasy. Don't you know that true beauty is the spirit that lives within? A quiet confidence.
And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. And comment and thumbs up my videos. But if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.